Welcome to Grace Edgewood in Altoona, Wisconsin. At Grace Edgewood, we don't believe one size fits all when it comes to resident care. Instead, our team carefully assesses your situation to determine the care options to best meet your needs. This individualized plan guides your care 24 hours a day in either our traditional assisted living care option or our brand new memory care unit. At Grace Edgewood, we fully promote and support family involvement and volunteer participation. You and your family can enjoy peace of mind knowing a nurse is available 24 hours a day to provide assistance in maintaining your independence, and we're in a locked and secure setting. Grace Edgewood is the only assisted living option in the Chippewa Valley where licensed nursing professionals are in the building 7 days a week. Grace Edgewood offers many amenities and services to enhance your well-being, including daily assistance with personal care, health monitoring, coordination of medical needs, assistance with medication management, and 24-hour-a-day emergency call systems. This is all provided while maintaining our affordable and all-inclusive pricing structure. Our extensive activity program encourages all to join in a variety of interactive activities. Each resident enjoys the comfort and serenity of a private room, surrounded by favorite furnishings and treasures. You'll enjoy ecumenical services and pastoral visits, 3 chef-prepared meals a day plus 3 daily snacks, weekly housekeeping services, linen and laundry service, and our beauty parlor and barber shop. For more information about Grace Edgewood, contact us today. Grace Lutheran Communities. Say grace.